My GP 1800R porpoises at speed, even in flat water river, with me leaning over the bars. When I put my rack on with a small cooler, it's bad. Suggestions. Purple Duck, is your ski tuned? And at what tune is it at? Totally stock. You're bouncing off the rev limiter. You're 100% bouncing off the rev limiter. What is happening is that, and I got video of a 2020 bouncing off the rev limiter that I thought I sucked up something. Yeah, you're especially on flat water, that ski wants to go a lot faster, and the computer's going whoa, 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 and backing it off. Duck, I'll tell you this, buddy. If you are willing to do so, the best two things for that ski for a casual rider, not a racer, not a guy who wants to be the fastest guy in town, but the best thing to do, two things. Number one, if you're willing to do it, it'll void your warranty. Your dealership will probably hate your guts. Air ribbon delete. Air ribbon delete kit from Riva. Without a doubt. Airflow. Number two, stock 8000, the stock 8000 tune. The stock 8000 tune does not change the ECU tune. It does not change the ECU tune. Map to map, they are completely identical. There is no gaps. Map to map, it's identical. The only difference is there's no speed limiter. And you're not going to be bouncing off the rev limiter and going boing, 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 boing. All right? You're bouncing off the rev limiter. AFR stay the same. It's line. I've seen the maps. They line up. All right. I hope that helps. That's not the best. I know that's not going to make you happy because I don't want to change it. But you're bouncing off the rev limiter. Otherwise, throttle control. Get really good with this. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.